Well, I'm joined now by Derek Graham. He's the CEO of ClearOne to talk about some of the ways their company is evolving to provide more solutions for the Pro AV industry. Derek, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing great. Thanks for being here and joining us. So tell me a little bit. ClearOne has been around now for 40 years, and you all have a reputation for your expertise in audio-digital signal processing. But talk to me a little bit about that evolution, because there's been a change that's been occurring. How have you changed in over 4 decades of experience with ClearOne?
Well, back in the 1980s, one of our most popular products was actually an analog telephone interface for radio stations that allowed listeners to call into radio talk shows. Back then, the approach for conferencing for meeting rooms with multiple microphones was to mix all of the microphones together into a single channel and then apply one channel of echo cancellation, acoustic echo cancellation, to that mixed channel. But the engineers at ClearOne realized that the power of DSP chips had grown and the cost had fallen to the point that it would be possible to assign an individual echo canceller to every microphone in a multi-mic space and customize audio processing. Today, ClearOne offers a broad suite of products, including installed audio conferencing products that everyone knows about, USB microphones, ceiling microphones, wireless microphones, and camera products, along with network media streaming products.
And talk to me a little bit about what are some of ClearOne's business goals for the company as a whole?
Well, one of our main goals is to improve our market share in the professional installed conferencing market. Another goal is to continue to expand our market from our traditional stronghold of installed professional conferencing and microphones into adjacent complementary markets like cameras. Another really important objective for us is to reinforce ClearOne's standing as a preferred manufacturer of AV equipment. And finally, we want to expand and advance the interoperability of our products with those of third-party vendors. So we've planned to achieve those goals by focusing on 4 key things. First, by providing a superior experience for our sales channel partners and end users of our products. Second, by delivering the complete value chain of audiovisual communication. Third, by offering innovation, interoperability, and value to our sales channel partners and end users. And then fourth, by focusing on our core products and continuously improving the quality of our products and our customer service to attain ever higher levels of customer satisfaction.
Now, one of the things that has impacted all of us was the way that the pandemic has changed hybrid workspaces in particular. It's become, for many of us, a daily part of our lives. How do ClearOne's products meet some of those customer needs as it relates to hybrid work?
Well, the cornerstone of our approach is to deliver intelligible audio. That forms the foundation of any conferencing environment. Building on that foundation, we provide technologies that improve the subjective quality and naturalness of audio. Those technologies include acoustic echo cancellation, adaptive noise cancellation, automatic mixing, frequency invariant beamforming, and adaptive steering algorithms. We also feel that we deliver a meeting equity experience that encompasses both audio and video dimensions. For larger, flexible meeting spaces, our BMA 360 and 360D incorporate built-in amplifiers and support voice lift that enhances the audibility of a local talker for individuals that might be situated at a considerable distance from that talker.